Hey cuties. So if you're wondering like why my eye looks extremely pink and swollen shut, I can't answer that. I have no idea, like, but yeah, so anyways, today I am doing like a vlog this morning, just like a quick little vlog, because like, why not? Just putting on some Carmex. I'm gonna go ahead and like make my bed because I started to make it but I didn't finish, so let's go do that. Good morning, beautiful day. It's raining outside. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my room. Done cleaning. I look like an egg. So yeah, that was the video. It's just like a fun little collage video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video, I hope. And yeah, bye.